After a series of consultation and appeals from stakeholders calling for the reduction of value-added tax rate, government, in collaboration with Ghana Revenue Authority, reduced tax from 4%, 21% to 20%. Although Ghana Revenue Authority says it's going to boost government revenue with little or no effect on consumer price, members of the business community, particularly Abosokan spare part dealers, raise concerns of higher cost of doing business.
Anyway, about affected business. So be a catch us VAT affected business. The person is a liar. You should speak the truth. You can't cry and share on man any ready for. So what I say to the sense say obey dada no. Say they say your friend say affected ya. How the teenage person can call 4% back.
And they're better affecting baby. Because any man almost $1 back from sending or more can all right there. But baby and so funny man better be INT. So is I didn't quite boy the cost of a intimate on our sign at the 20% value added tax and babekan. So I didn't 10 CDR. Say because why friends saying 12 cities. Tinipa na Tony su na yenso aye kofa bebe Tony su na osan riba beto so a ebe affect bebre de obeto be su yenso aye kofa beto so yenso be su nche no na me gidi se bebe ebe affect nipa bebre eno nye me ameton kwa de obeto so ka ho.
It's the high price, sorry. Yeah, ntua. Nsi ya ntua. Pois é, mãe, pa ni empe. Por qualquer. Somos $8. $8 de anca 2%. Au usa Christina sa ko 20% de lare.
Oh, media ni ye mo dia. Se na onu na obu ne man. Ana ohun se oye ni se a ebeboa. Edu onu hu ni se ojeje sa na odi we ni to so a. Says can because mo complain bebre. Ana wi say ana kwanye, ana wi anye, ana wi nye. Ekwan be so na obeba so wenye scan dia. Edu odi we ni to so a. Na says can no. Ye mba ba ne se odi to so no. Onkoyi no mfenya ade bia mo a oman no. Oyi na de ebebo oman na odi ye dia. Me hu ni se problem bia ye den. Any baby a. What must say there? Fine.
For tax, I would have done a bit affected because a no man yet on any store sika yetua any GRA for there no. Say GRA for tax should be say one story. Last time also more 4,000. So no man good store no more. Omaka kweti. And they say oh the 4,000 per year. Un no man me ton unka un no man value say that year. What the 4,000 last year? What I saw as a tumbium. What I say store rent. Ababe kaho but as there only akola ye duma otua nika to what as there and they say almost anto so ebe me ho betire more to the extent say mo am so boka say ya de no ma ba fom ti ye fa ye ntete no ma so and to hwe wo jerry ni na wo ba be tax 4,000 na ye me be 120 so na store so agin sika na so wi na ka say no ma bo ba fom and ye ntete no ma so a let's say ankoyi
about the GRA 20% VAT, new VAT that is coming. We released a statement out telling them our displeasure about what is going on because number one, they did not do education. We didn't hear anything before we see the law has already been implemented at the parliament and they are enforcing it. And so we said no, we don't understand. So they brought a statement out and they also call us to sit down with us and explain things to us.
And I say affect ya. I did something also increasing up to 20%. So what I say. And to that myself so a business so a great deal. And nothing am I so press emra back to 4%, Because in this so be a woman and can pray and I say can so any day. Yeah, can see a farmer and bra back. Because Obano as Obas as a president, Oba share your book. So concerning about export duty and inflation, Oba share your book so bad, Obama naming in our form. But now, yes, I'm a corner. And the south side of VAT, as about 20% here. That was so queer, we try and make.
Ghana Revenue Authority for say it affects more, most especially your consumers, affects your price, no credible.
Say ono moti ona omo de sa charges na ba beto so no. Ono bu akwa ade na okoto na nyini bottom sika nti ono betra office waka sa asem no ba wo do bottom sika koto ade na 10 si na abekọ na say 12 cedi no ebe afeto ba omo to office o se niam bebre omo kom kan so misunyo omo na do musika to kan no ne ma Ghana sika na ede to kan no ne ma de mo nti otra wa sa na obeka ba mi e bia kan ne mi am bottom sika de me beto ade ne atuma ebe affect me.
So how is this obvious for this?
Eba affect ye.
Appointments.
Ekura bebre so sisa. So obeto sa ta. Mesmo ties no to so no so ese so to so ma utia. Etin direct eba affect o.
Deɛ kyɛn sɛ sɛnea etie biara sɛ me kɔtɔ no 1 cedi a ana me kɔ ɛne 2 cedi a automatically no ɛnza mɛyɛ 1 cedi because me tɔ no 1 cedi ana ɛsɛ akɔ 2 cedi nti me so meba a ɛsɛ mede biribi kakra yɛ den ɛto so ɛdu kyɛke koraa value no bɛsa bɛyɛ the same thing so wate aseɛ me so de bɛto so na deɛ ɛsɛ menya no manya no pɛpɛɛpɛ.
So what I say, and you crack. This is a more woman to sign moment to so woman to mum says on my sato. They say marketing yet. Also, be tax. Na second year. There's a woman drain ya woman didn't say in yes car, my escape near. Tax na no, the woman to so. Mon yin free so cry, mon for being count. That I didn't want almost answer so. No, be a no.
And when we went there, it was closed door meeting. There was no media, and they made us understand that this 20% in the previous 4%, previously we pay 4% flat in Abosoka here. And so we think the 20% is too high. It is going to disturb our businesses. And so we have to go sit down with them. And they are saying that they need to educate us for us to understand, because they can clearly see that we don't understand some of the terms they are using.
Ebi ne sɛ deɛ ɔde ada da kwafo yi. Woka kyerɛ kwafo sɛ Akufo-Addo aban ɛbɔ korɔ no. Osise kwafo. But you say they akɔ bibi te sɛ adako dada ade. Obi a ɔno de kɔ ade wɔ about 14 a ɔno de kɔ 30 something no. Wo ba you say we ye free hɔ. Ɛde asan de about 25. And they say one day dada ne onko. Nti ade a metuma ka kyerɛ wo sɛ so mo ka no korɛ ɛde akyerɛ ɔman no ani dwadifo a ɛbɛ affect dwadi. Ɛba saa so a ɛbɛma nneɛma so boa sa asan yɛ den.
Me nso a mede me sika kɔfa spare parts na aba no yɛto mu na tax ne cost ra me nso bɛ affect me nti ɛno korɛ.
Bebre so say aboso kind for mom. More you are into like spare parts any other then you say it's intentional. You say musu buy no until 4% kwa mo de bia yento so e 20% are still na yento say no crazy intentional.
Ɛno korɛ bi anim.
But you are risking.
Like Jerry abadi me do me. Only was mbadi oji disika o. Now what add from 4 to 20. How many percent that's it? 60%. O say affect me, ba affect you know.
And so what nya wo kan no are you saying say affect ya e ba beto ade o.
Oh, well, about the two then there. Who would you be there was affect you? Because I'm a mekakoto. Some me can affect me. And I'm so by better. I don't know about your so saying here. It you also know, affect me, the also affect you. Now, the end of the day, no, penny naje. No, they acquire the fees a bebo or mine. It's you are the yard, the bebo or mine, the moon is a problem, be any baby as.
Nti e gumo ijuma.
Ɛsɛ no kora wie. Ɛsɛ no, asɛ na wie. Egu adwuma no. Cause wo yamfa so bia wo so. Wo yamfa so bia betena the year na wo nya hwe. Wo ya na GRA fa beje. Wo ya na wait for store abeje. Then say oh then nothing. So what I say. And no man so yamfa so bia do so bia.
The input VAT and the output VAT and how to calculate it, all those things were a problem. And so when we went to the meeting, they were able to explain to us that when you import something and you add the 20% there, you will deduct your 20% because the VAT is a consumer tax. It's not the one selling who is supposed to pay. It's the one who is coming to buy who's supposed to pay.
But you're saying say it's going to boost your business and also generate revenue for the company.
Mame enye no korɛ because what to ade fa ne what to ade o me ho. Oto aye no eye bia 1,000 cedis. me work VAT de to so ene ma na to ni nyina ko se e bi about 10,000 we work VAT de to so a wo ba betua se sika na ma me wi a me so me kwa kotua ma ban nti that was ade na me to ama no se me increase no and yes my increase no a me utua the correct rate na ma me a me aban me call aban ho a me kwa kotua se sika no efiri me sika na me oji wo ho no so what am I say
Adeɛ we sɛ sɛbi na dollar no Akufo do firi amamum na dollar ne yɛ 17 cedi ne akyiri. Baabi a yɛfa nneɛma ba bɛtɔn no saa price a wɔde ma yɛn ne dollar ne ba 10 cedi saa na wɔde ma yɛn. So what deɛ meka na ase. Sɛ yɛn kɔ ne ate so akɔsɔma ne bɛtɔ adeɛ na yɛbɛte so.
I'm from 4 to 6 crack no man. From 4 to 20 the masa. It's a high price. That's again to
Yɛpɛ saa wɔ den ho. Ɛwɔ den ho.
Papa bɛn na mo complain sɛ baby a mo kɔ tu nneɛma no yɛ tum ne ade.
Oh, sɛ yɛn yɛbɛ complain na bi a consumers na yɛbɛtɔ ade no ɔmo na ɔmo complain edina yɛ a mɛn nso yɛ de yɛ kasa but edu baabi na yɛ kyenkyene atwan sɛ ade no wɔamfa nto so ɛyɛ mo ade a na ɔde to so ɛsi na yɛ boa because na yɛ pɛ sɛ ɔman no yɛ di a ɛsi na yɛ boa.
All the same, so mo say yan tin no maso. Mo de ahyem grofo team say ya tin no maso, to bia ba market a. O say ate ade so. Ate ase. Na so check GRA tax, o check store, o check we a. Bibia nko from obi ba na bo no bo kwa na wo ko.
When you sell, you have to deduct your inputs and then the rest go and give it to the government. Yeah. So we told them we feel it's too high. And so they have to do something about it. We propose either flat rate or 5 to 8%.
nti abasa otumi ka kyerɛ me sɛ ohisi onipa trader no wasisi no nti na de ebe boost hwee na mmom de ma no ba sɛ ɛma prices no ɛsɛ increase because me kotua VAT to ade na to ɛne sɛ 10% a ɛsɛ me kotua VAT bɛsɛ 5% ɛwɔ mu so atem ase ɛhe nti abasa and the cost of for my affect business
Ba me kɔ ne yɛn nte so na me de na me nso me de me makɔfa de ne 10 cedi me wo sɛ mɛtɔ no 5 cedi a. Sɛ me me de mi sika kɔfa ne 10 cedi me mɛtɔ no 5 cedi saa 5 cedi na me yɛ firi mu aban so wɔmfa ma me. Ɛsɛ yɛtɔ adeɛ nso ɛpɛn fa so yɛntɔ adeɛ sɛ yɛbɔ ka. Nti ano deɛ me nso madwene no no.
say market na say ana. Yen do so wunim. To ba bi da we share. Yen kase yen to me. Sister, try the inch away. With the logic right, as I'm saying to
Oh, yɛn na yɛ tight yɛ belt sɛ before no ne yɛ ka no yɛ tight yɛ belt no cause obi aba sɛ yɛn tight yɛ belt na ade na obi ba na yɛn tight yɛ belt deɛ ɔde ɔpɛ sɛ olusu no ɛsɛ yɛ tight ne yɛde yɛ normal a ɛbɛboa.
Ɛkwan bɛn sa mo bɛ sɛ aban fa mo mfa so with the reduction wey na wɔka.
Kwa me pesa aban fa so no say. I was say aban o man grofo be asese. Eno ma a ye wo. Etuno bia ne dia woto. Mo mu ntwa face price ma me kan che say e na ohu se store we no ma kakra kra guma ya je 4,000 ya je we. Obo wa no ma no kwa no no ma enko just say go say woto ka first na obo ho.
They said right now they are doing piloting. They are trying to, once the law has been implemented, they have to bring it out, pilot, and see the problem that will be coming out from it. And after 6 months, when they are done with collection of all the small problems, if they have to go back and readjust things, they will do. But for now, we have to help them to bring everybody on board.
It's a bit affected drivers nso.
oh metumi aka sɛ about affected drivers concerning about passing on so mobile beto no because ono so bi a ne pass bi asɛ oba beto listen me man VAT na asim ye ya ono so opa do be kan sɛ me so me koto spare pass no ene ma ne increase na ma me
Kɔ school yɛ yɛkɔ no double yi wo sɛ mo sɛ mo mpɛ sɛ ogusu a wɔtwitwatwitwam gaho ebi wɔ hɔ a na ofi sɛ kwan a ɔsɛ daabi sɛ yɛnkɔ no sɛ ne before ne yɛkɔ no no saa na ɛbɛtumi ayɛ den aboa nti bi deɛ mehu ne sɛ the value is the same.
What I say? To the bia obetena sa ni the whole day me ba si ato ade ba ko pe. Sa ade ba ko no me ti store. Mat GRA, mat ba ko na sika be ka say. So what I say? Enye
To register more people into the tax net so that everybody will pay tax, will pay VAT. It won't be like we don't have level grounds on the floor. Like somebody come, you are writing VAT, you leave you and go to the next person who doesn't write VAT. And so the consultation is still ongoing. We'll go back again. They will call us tomorrow. It should be today, but they said tomorrow. They said Monday. We'll go back on Monday, and there's still talk about it, and find a amicable solution to the problem. So that is where we are now.
Nti saa ne te a me so me spare me driver no dollar fare no me increase no. Sometimes na ɔmo yɛ ne sɛ yɛto petrol mu a ɛna affectre bia passengers anaasɛ but wokɔ no through ayi deɛ a ɛnɛɛma nketenkete bi wɔ hɔ a ɛha drivers a ɔmo nso ɔmo nya ho mfasoɔ.
Yeah, we hope it will be reduced, or they give us flat rates, or now they are telling us that they are piloting it for 6 months. So they cannot go back to Parliament and tell Parliament that this is what is going. They need to implement it, see the problem that will be coming, and then after 6 months, if they have to go back and adjust something, they will go back and adjust it.
So that's what I say. Ɛnyɛ petrol nko na ɛbɛma driver nya ho mfasoɔ. Spare parts no ɔmo so ɔmo tɔ no. Sometimes ɔmo so nya problem ɛwɔ hɔ. So that's what I say.
Yes, that is the problem of GRA. First, the education must come. They should come sit down with us. They should do more education for everybody to understand before even they implement it. But they implemented it before coming to us, and that is what brought all these problems.